Here are the instructions on how to forward calls coming into your City of Oxnard desk phone to your city cell phone. From your desk phone, you want to enable one of these call forward options. Call forward always activation *72 or call forward no answer activation *92. If you know you'll be out of the office for some time, we recommend using the call forward always activation *72. This will forward all calls all the time to your city cell phone without delay. Otherwise, we recommend using the call forward no answer activation *92, which will forward calls only if you're not at your city desk phone to answer them. This option is best if you can't determine when you'll be in or out of the office. Note that with these call forward options, your desk phone voicemail will be bypassed. Please watch the following video, which demonstrates call forward no answer activation *92.
Please enter the destination number for call forwarding no answer, followed by the pound key.
Enter your city cell phone number here.
Your call forwarding no answer service has been activated successfully. Thank you.
Now you'll see how to deactivate call forwarding for when it is no longer needed. *93.
Your call forwarding no answer service has been deactivated successfully. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please give us a call at extension 7777 with any questions or issues you may have.